Just kept pushing forward, forward, forward until the moment that it all came crashing down. I wandered into a free yoga class one day as a way to stretch my body. I left feeling this sense of lightness and buoyancy that I had never experienced before, and I just knew that this was something that I had to share with others. If yoga saved my life, it can definitely save somebody else's too.
Hi, I'm Hannah Davis, a yoga teacher and social worker. I'm so happy that you are interested in taking classes with me. I like to say that I teach a yoga 1-2 mindful vinyasa class. So that means that we are all about linking breath with movement. And classes are totally accessible to beginners as well as those who have been practicing for a couple of years. I try to make sure that how I'm speaking and cueing is clear and accessible to everyone that's in my class. And really, it's all about you during this time. We like to start our classes with a centering and grounding. We then follow that with some gentle stretches to start to prep the body so that we are more open and ready for the standing poses and more challenging exercises that follow. After our prep, we usually move into some standing poses and a little bit more advanced sequences. There will be some movements where you are going to be asked to get on the floor and then off the floor, and making sure that the tools, the poses, the asana are really working for you and your body. Meditation, relaxation techniques that are used to help move us into shavasana, which is our quiet time, and an opportunity to just let all of the work that we've done really start to work its way into the body, to do the work that it needs to do. I really love yoga. I've been practicing yoga for over 10 years and have been a registered yoga teacher for the last 3. I'm really liking the online format. As you can see, pets are definitely welcome in the studio. It's really great that we've been able to integrate yoga into our homes and into our lives through this new format. So I'm excited to have you along on this journey. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My website is joyfulyogini.com.